Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can disable and stop Google Photos from backing up your photos on mobile devices. So let's get right into it. I'll be covering both Android and iOS. Since on the PC it is currently not available as an option. I'm pretty sure it doesn't automatically back up your photos anyway, so let's just go over the steps on how you can turn backup off. Now, what you need to do is on whichever device you are, you just go into your Google Photos app and sign into your Google account. From there, you just want to tap on your profile picture or initial and then go into the Photos settings and go into backup. And from here, you just want to turn backup off. If you want to turn it back on, you just follow the same steps, and that is pretty much it. Now, on iOS, you might get a message asking you to allow permissions to the app, and you just go into iOS settings and tap privacy and go into photos, and then just turn on Google Photos if you're having any trouble with permissions. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.